Namaskar everyone. How are you all? I hope you're having a great Sunday. पहले तो एक बहुत बढ़िया ईद मुबारक and a very happy Raksha Bandhan which falls on Monday. So yes, we are going to celebrate all our festivities. We are going to win together this COVID-19 war. But we have to maintain social distancing and all the norms which we have to follow to win this war. I am a pathologist and thank you so much for following my channel. It's me, Navaruna, where I talk about various topics which are coming face to face during the COVID-19 times. Thank you so much for following me. Do like, share, subscribe this channel, and if you've not subscribed as yet, do so. It is free, and therefore all this motivates me to come again every Sunday with a new video. Today I speak on a very important topic. I speak on all the pros and cons of online learning during COVID-19 times. Please watch the video, and if you like it, do subscribe it. Share some comments below which will instigate me, motivate me to come back with a new video every time. Thank you so much, and together we can and we must win the COVID war. Thank you. Benefits of online learning. Online education is worth the effort in these hard times. At present, this seems to be the only option available. Central government has recently launched the PMT Vidya platform with 12 new DTH channels. Reduced cost, क्योंकि एक तो ये घर से ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज लिए जा रहे हैं, तो फ्रॉम द कंफर्ट ऑफ होम, एंड वन रियली नीड नॉट गो आउट, सो देयर इज रिड्यूस्ड इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट. एंड सेकेंडली, कैफेटेरिया चार्जेस आर रिड्यूस्ड. One of the main advantage of online courses is that despite the lockdown, students have access to the learning process. So there is a removal of the physical barriers of reaching out to education. Vast amount of knowledge at fingertip. ना थके हैं कभी पैर, ना कभी हिम्मत हारी है. जज्बा है परिवर्तन का जिंदगी में, इसलिए तो सफ़र जारी है. A very big advantage of this online training is that one can learn whatever one wants, because there are so many courses available online. From comfort of one home, one can learn anything that we want. One of the main advantage of online schooling or training is staying at home and doing it, because studying from home environment gives a similar sense of security which one feels at school or at colleges. Moreover, it is during these pandemic times one feels safe and sound at home, and one can maintain social distancing and other norms, as well as keep doing the studies without hampering them at all. Another positive benefit of online training is a self-paced learning. So one can repeat the ABs as many times as one wants and can do the learning at one's own pace. A big benefit of online training and schooling is less impact on the environment. It consumes less use of paper, less power, and there is no transportation cost, so it is eco-friendly. A big benefit of online training and schooling is that ensuring all learners receive the same assignment and training. सभी जो भी बच्चे इस ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग या स्कूलिंग को कर रहे हैं, सबको इक्वल मटेरियल मिलता है पढ़ने के लिए. सो बेसिकली ये बड़ा फेयर है. एज लर्निंग इज़ वर्चुअल, टीचर्स एक्सपीरियंस लेस डिस्टर्बेंस इन द क्लास, which allows them to deliver lessons quickly without any distraction. So there is a quick delivery of lessons. The content uploaded by the teachers can be accessed by the student anytime. वो कभी भी उस चीज़ को पढ़ सकता है और कहीं भी पढ़ सकता है, which allows the student to understand the lesson properly at his or her own pace. अपने ही हिसाब से वो पढ़ के उसको अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है. सो ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग या ट्रेनिंग थोड़ा स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली भी है. ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन लर्निंग, learner's outlook. A very big negative side of this online schooling or learning is that there could be lack of access for economic or logistic reasons. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका मतलब ये है कि कभी कभी नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ लैपटॉप्स, मोबाइल्स के कारण बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स जो कि बहुत तेज़ हो सकते हैं, उनको वो पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिलता है. ये बातें बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज नॉट एवरीबडी कैन अफोर्ड अ लैपटॉप और अ स्मार्टफोन. सो उसके वजह से देयर कुड बी सम स्टूडेंट्स मिसिंग आउट ऑन दिस बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी. अ वेरी बिग ड्रॉबैक फॉर द ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग इज दैट स्टूडेंट्स एनकाउंटर टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज एट टाइम, स्पेशली विथ इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम, एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर कॉज कि ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग में बाधा आ सकती है. ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग और स्कूलिंग कैन बी वेरी बोरिंग. Sitting in front of the screen for long hours, listening to teachers for hours without the company of fellow classmates can make you restless and tired. This format offers great flexibility but often results in inaction. This idea of learning virtually is accessible to many students around the world, but it often results in things like the learner sleeping or eating during classes. A big drawback of online trainings and schooling is that learners' frustration due to lack of human contact and also inability to discuss with classmates. Long hours in front of the screen could take a toll on their health. कुछ भी हो सकता है हेल्थ वाइज, इन द सेंस कि बहुत सारे बच्चे हेडेक की कंप्लेन करते हैं, आँखों में पेन होने की कंप्लेन करते हैं, या फिर एट टाइम्स डिफ़िकल्टी टू फोकस ऑल्सो. वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ड्रॉबैक फॉर ऑनलाइन स्टडीज़ इज़ द ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम. इट इज़ द बिगेस्ट हिंड्रेंस. हाउ? Because at times it is a hindrance to quality education. One does not know how fair the exam has been conducted because teachers are not physically present. A big drawback of online schooling is that there is no physical activity of going outside and playing or doing any other social activity. Hence, having to stay inside the house 24 hours and 7 days can make the child have lot of anxiety and mood swings. Students confined to only online education will face related changes and will be slow in developing lot of social and life skills learned by real life education. Missing out on real life fun that only human interaction provides. Hence, no physical activity like sports, gymming is one of the major cause of constant anxiety and mood swings among students. Not meeting extended families and friends have added to it. नज़र को बदलते ही नज़ारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलते ही सितारे बदल जाते हैं. कश्तियाँ बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, दिशा को बदले तो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं. Thank you for watching this video. Because these are very tough and testing times, and whatever we are facing is unprecedented. Each one of us are facing new challenges. अगर हम घर पे हैं या बाहर हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, everyone, सबकी जिंदगी में 2020 अलग challenges लेके आया है, and it is up to us how we deal with them. जितने पॉजिटिव रहेंगे, जितने सकारात्मक रहेंगे, उतना ही हम विन करेंगे. एंड टुगेदर वी कैन एंड वी मस्ट विन ओवर कोविड-19. क्या हम सिर्फ उसके एक वायरस से हम थक जाएंगे? क्या हम उससे हार जाएंगे? नॉट एट ऑल. इट इज अप टू अस टू विन ओवर इट. प्लीज डू वॉच द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द सीरीज इन विच आई टॉक अबाउट द टीचर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू in this online courses. I hope you really liked watching this video. Give a big fat thumbs up for it. Like it,
सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर करना, फ्री है. And share it with as many people. Do give comments, because students, I would like some comments from you all, because every one of you are a motivating factor for me. So together we can and we must win over COVID. Thank you so much.